What is good, everyone? So just finished up the trading day, and I'm just gonna go do a little trade recap for the day. So today we only took one trade, which it was a dub. And I was waiting a little bit more longer to see if you can try to get another trade opportunity in, but I was already waiting like 45 minutes, and nothing was kind of really happening. The 144-hour candle is just taking a long time to form. Like right now, it's been forming for a half an hour, so not much is going on. Right now, it's currently about to be 7:30. So market's already been open for about an hour, and it's really not moving too much. So I'll just go over the one trade I took today. So we can see that I was going based off of this down close candle. So we retrace back into that retracement zone, as we can see right here perfectly. So now we look at the 34R, and we can see that out of the 34R, when it comes back and retraces, we make this high right here, and we have this low that's formed. So in this area, you can look for shorts. Actually though, wow, I did not see this at all. Wait, hold up, look at this. This is crazy. Sorry, this is not a trade that I took, but we do have these highs that were not broken. We have these lows that were not broken, and this is for a short opportunity. But you can see here that I entered long here because I was looking for a long opportunity. But this short opportunity did occur. Let's get rid of that. It did occur because if I zoom in a little bit better to get a better picture, you can see that we do get our zone right here. And you could enter here at 95. I probably would have entered, I don't know, maybe somewhere around here, 98. Goes down to 89. It actually goes down to 86 down here. So you would have gotten like the quick 10 points. And then it does break above this zone, but it doesn't break above the high. And then we keep pushing down. And we have like another zone drawn out right here. And you can see it perfectly touches it and then just rejects it and just keeps going down, down, down. Which I did not see at that moment. But I mean, this is why we do this. We do trade recaps to see any opportunities that we missed while trading. That's a good catch or a good find. Can't believe I didn't see that. But back to the trade that we actually took. So I didn't take a short today. I took a long. I don't even know why I took this 144 candle, but in reality, I was looking at this. I was looking at this up close candle. So we go from the low to the high, then we wait for that retracement back into this area right here. We have this low formed, this high formed. Now I just kind of wait for my setup to occur, which it happens right here. We get a bit of a confirmed breakout right here. So now we just wait for price to retrace. And I went onto the 21R. Let me pull it up right here. So I waited for price to retrace back into this area, and for the 21R to have an up close candle, which it does right here. And you can see I enter as soon as that up close candle closes, and my stop loss was just below here, and my profit target was just 10 points. As soon as we're 5 to 7 points in profit, I brought my stop loss to break even, and we were fortunate enough to have price hit our profit target, which was right here. So that was the only trade I took for the day. Nothing too major. I was waiting a little bit more for price to kind of do something else, to see if I had another short opportunity around here in this area, but nothing presented itself. My model didn't show. Then I was waiting for it to kind of happen here as well. Once again, nothing on my model showed. And we're just kind of reacting off this level. But also we are right below a major high volume node, as we can see right here. Let's get rid of this. So yeah, we're below this major high volume node, but then before this was not here. This high volume node was not here. It was just like kind of flat. So it was just like one big pile of low volume. So a bunch of inefficiencies in here. And this supply zone that I drew here was just like the lowest in that low volume node area. But besides that, I only took the one trade. I was waiting for a bit, nothing really happened. And you can see price is still just kind of consolidating in this area, so nothing really major is happening. Yeah, so besides that, I didn't do much. I just remembered I didn't even turn on my background music, so apologies. But with that being said, don't overtrade, stick to your model, and have a good day. Peace.